Welcome everybody. If you are wondering how to land your first agency clients or even just want to know how to get more, this is the exact process that I use to land and scale my first agency client. So let's dive right in. First off, there's 3 keys: outreach, offer, and trust. You got to have all those 3 and that's all you need. So let's go to outreach. Just for profile and platform, I like IGDMs. Some people like Facebook, some people like LinkedIn, some people like cold email. IG is what's worked for me and I recommend it because you can send a lot and it's also pretty easy to do. Prospects, pick any niche and just stick to it. Don't overthink it. As long as what you're offering can benefit that niche and actually help them, you'll be good to go. Volume, just do as many as you can, right? At the lowest end, 20. At the highest end, infinite, like 2, 3, 4, 500 a day. For a script, your script should just go like this, okay? You want your first message should be a message that provokes a response. So typically a question. It could even be like, how long have you been in business? Love your content, man. How do you edit it? Or anything that's going to provoke them to answer, you'll be good to go. I like, hey, is this the best place for questions? But you do you. Send voice memos, just a little tip. Once you've done that, let's see if you got a reply. Send your pitch then. Be authentic. Yo, man, I'm 20. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm trying to grow my business. We do X, Y, and Z. Could that maybe help you? If you want to learn how to set appointments, all you got to know how to do is convey value. If you can convey value and show why what you do is valuable to them, you can book appointments. Whether you should book them in the DMs or call, totally up to you. Call is easier to book, but obviously takes a bit more time and a bit more work, but definitely worth it. Last thing is, what is the perfect balance on building rapport and actually pitching? Well, the perfect balance is in the middle. So you don't want to come out the gate pitching, and you don't want to come out the gate building a relationship for 10 days and then pitch them because they'll feel betrayed. So build up a bit of rapport and then pitch. Don't pitch right away. Don't build up too much rapport. Now let's go to trust real quick. Pretty self-explanatory. Be authentic. Like own up to the fact that you don't fully know everything, right? You can never go wrong with being honest. So always be honest, even if it's your first client. Yo, man, let me be honest, it's your first client. I just had a sales call 10 minutes ago, and the guy was like, so can you show me who you've done this for? And I said, honestly, man, this is a new offer we're implementing. I haven't actually done it with anybody, to be honest with you. And he was like, I respect that. So always be authentic. Be human-like. Don't be a robot. Actually help them and talk to them. Let's go to your offer. Some people say this is the most important thing, right? $100 million offers. I'm sure you all have read it or know about it. Good book. The offer is super important. However, as Dylan Wilson says, the offer isn't everything, because if you don't have any trust, your offer means nothing. And what I mean by this, I'm going to use the exact example that Dylan Wilson used, is if some random guy came up to you and said, yo, man, give me $1,000 and I guarantee you in a few months I'll give you 10 grand back. You're going to say, hell no, I don't trust you. But if Grant Cardone came to you and said, yo, man, give me $1,000, I promise you'll get you 10K back. You're going to say, hell yeah, because you trust them, right? So you want to build trust. That's what this is so important. But offer. The offer is also important, right? Free trials. Offer a no-risk deal. It's literally a no-brainer. If what you do can benefit them and it doesn't cause them any risk, why wouldn't they do it? So offer something that requires no risk on their end. Another good thing to ask yourself is, how is what I'm doing actually going to benefit them? What problem are you solving? So in SMMA, you're solving that they have inconsistent leads or cash flow or no market awareness. That's what you're actually solving. You're not selling paid ads. You're selling consistent leads, right? So just remember that, because you sell the desired outcome, not the process. Plane ticket, first vacation. You don't sell the long wait times, the TSA, all that fun stuff that no one likes in the airport. You sell the beautiful sunny beach in Mexico. Just remember that. For the call, this is a quick tip for on the call. Find their problem. Build rapport, find their problem, make them visualize it, tell stories, and boom, you're good to go. So find their problem by asking, what are you using now? How's it going? What would you change? What don't you like about it? Hold on, can you tell me more? Oh, frustrated? Ask those kind of questions. After they have admitted a problem, help them visualize it. So what would your business look like if you didn't solve this problem? Boom, there you go. You're good to go. At the end, just tell a story on how you helped someone else solve the problem that they had. You're good to go. After the free trial, what do? Oh my God, we got a free trial client. Now we do after we delivered results. If what you did was good, they will want you to stay. If you did a good job, they won't be like, oh, you got me a bunch of leads, leave. They're going to be like, you got me a bunch of leads. How much can we pay you for you to stay? And if worst case scenario, you just use this free trial client as a testimonial and as a story to get your next client. Good luck.